I was outside every morning when buses came in. And then a second grader who just, I mean, you know he's gonna be in awe, like, okay, what time is it? And he walked up, he's like, Mr. Will. I said, yeah, man. He said, good morning. I said, good morning. He said, my mama told me to tell you I'm out of medicine. I was like, oh, all right. And he walked away and like he heard a voice and he said, oh, no. I'm gonna be all right. Like, I'm gonna be right in the morning. It's the afternoon. It's the afternoon you got to worry about. Basically, he's telling me, clear your calendar. He doubled back like he heard something. Oh, no, I'm good for the morning. It's the afternoon. It's the afternoon. Whatever you got scheduled, tell your deputy soup, I'm not gonna make it. That said, you gotta speak it into them, man. I ask adults all the time, do you wanna be coached up, challenged with support? I know dumb down's a pejorative term, like nobody wants that, but just think about that. If you promise to give me the support, I'll take the challenge.